So guys, I have another confession to make. I've been doing that a lot lately. A couple months ago, I went to Williams-Sonoma and this was half off. And when I got home, I read the reviews on it and the reviews are sort of mixed. And I told Eric that I'm going to take it back. And then I got something else on the promise that I was going to take this back. Well, somehow I misplaced the receipt and a little too much time went by and now I can't take it back. So it's a permanent part of the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen now. So what is this in here? I'll let you know right after the intro. Shh, don't tell Eric that I still have this, right? So what do you think it is? Well, you know, one of my favorite brands is All-Clad, right? So do you think it's All-Clad? It is All-Clad. Woo! It is the All-Clad rice and grain cooker. Yes, it is the All-Clad rice and grain cooker. Sweet! And this thing is a beautiful cooker, right? So what this is the All-Clad rice and grain cooker, and it has a glass lid. It's completely stainless steel, and it's electronic, it has LED, polished exterior. This is a beauty, let me tell you. It has 8 cooking modes. For the ultimate versatility. The ultimate versatility, boo. You can...
Is that versatility impacted by the fact it was on sale?
You can adjust the time and the temperature. 4 quarts in capacity. Dishwasher safe. Inner cooking pot and lid. Oh, right? Rice measuring spoon. Dishwasher safe, entering cooking lid. Boo! Where's my X-Acto knife?
That's going to cost you $100 to rent.
Okay, put it on my tab.
Denied. Is my boo looking for this?
Let's get this bad boy open. Stop playing games. We got some stuff here. I've been wanting to see this cooker. It's actually been sitting here for a little while. And okay, what do we got here? So we have how to make perfect grains. So you can make quinoa, barley, oats, steel cut oats, bulgur wheat, semolina, polenta. Oh yeah, white rice, sushi rice, brown rice, and risotto. I think I want to make some polenta in this bad boy. Care of your cooking pot. To prevent scratching on the ceramic surface, don't use metal utensils. Here is, oh yeah, see this is what I like to see. I love to see a really nice manual. Part of it is in different languages, but I like it when you have a good cover to it, that it's well put together. I really like when there's a really nice manual. So what do we got here? Here's the lid. Sweet. Sweet, sweet. We got a measuring cup, paddle, we have a power cord. Wow. We have a stainless steel steamer. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is beautiful. Look at that. This you can almost, if it'll fit inside your Instant Pot or your pressure cooker, I wonder if that would. You use double duty on that. So let's get it out.
Do some artichokes in that.
You could do artichokes in that. So let's get this out. Wow. So let's see what we have here. So here's our inner pot. Oh man, that is beautiful. Look at that sucker. And it goes up to a 10-cup capacity. This is a beautiful cooker. So the regular price on this sucker was $300, and it was half off, so I paid $150 for it. Oh my gosh. It is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that cooker.
Shiny.
So we have the rice and grain cooker. Perfectly cooked rice and grains every time. 8 programs. Automatically calculates the best cooking time for various rice and grains. Additional sauteing and steaming capabilities. Dishwasher safe bowl and lid. Delay start function. Keep warm. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Can I just sit here and geek over this? Oh my gosh. Sorry about that. I just had to do a little geeking. So here's our cooker, and steamer basket will go in here. Oh, look at that baby. That is incredible. You see, I love my All-Clad, right? Just a wee bit. Okay, so you just turn this lever. Grains, I think it determines how long it needs. Steam, slow cook, brown saute, brown rice, sushi rice, white rice. I think it determines how much time it needs for that. You should be able to change the time, delay start, and then you just hit start. Oh, man. All I can say is this is one beautiful cooker. So I'm going to wash this up. We're going to test it out. I'm going to make some polenta, and I'm going to do steam some vegetables in here. And we're going to do a nice oatmeal, a slow cook oatmeal in here. So stay tuned for that. This is the All-Clad Rice and Grain Cooker. Absolutely beautiful cooker. I'll put a link down in the description if you want to take a look at it. Really, really nice. If you like this video, please subscribe below. Leave me a comment and a like. Visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on Twitter and Pinterest at Amy Learns to Cook. On Facebook, I'm at facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. And I'm also on Instagram at Cookin' with Amy.
Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa had to say, all clad with your so shiny, won't you glide my sleigh tonight? Then all the all-clads dance with glee. And
You don't
stuff.
even know what to sing.
I don't know, so. Shave with this guy.
I'm also on Twitter.
What's on Twitter?
Twitter?